You just relocated to the UK and you're wondering, Eniola, my skin is taking a downward turn. I woke up this morning to flakiness, dryness, peeling skin. I don't understand what is going on. Alright, so today I went to the website. I think it's bootsuk.com. You guys will see it on the screen. And I decided to just type some of these products up there, and I will be dictating both the price and the effectiveness of the products we tell you. You want to make sure that you watch to the end. Depending on your response and how much you guys also love it, I'll see if I can do a body edition, because this video for today is a face edition. So yes, now let's quickly talk about what is happening to your skin. First, seasonal changes affect how our skin responds not only to skincare products but to the environment. So that means that if during the summer you always tend to glow, you have this natural shine that is just beautiful to see and appealing, during autumn or fall, which is precisely the season where you are in, the season that precedes winter, expect unusual dryness. And with dryness, your skin tends to lose its natural moisture, hydration, and of course, that comes with a lot of flakiness, peeling, and did I mention dryness? More dryness. So here is what you need to do, and here are some of the products that you need to focus on if you really want that to be fixed and if you want your skin to look better with the changing season. The first one is a gentle or a mild cleanser. Please sis, if during the summer, because of the sweat or the excess oil you had on your face, you were using a very strong cleanser with salicylic acid that was just sucking out all the oils and just making you feel dehydrated, now is the time to put that cleanser back into your bathroom shelf and go and get another one. I stumbled on this Laroche Posay Age Cleanser that retails for £11.60. Is it cents now, you guys? I'm not sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong. 60 cents, that has niacinamide and that is good for blemish prone, acne prone, dry, sensitive skin. So that means that this cleanser is mild, is effective, contains an antioxidant and also an acid that will keep your skin really hydrated and moisturized throughout the entire cleansing process. Usually during autumn or fall, you don't want something that would strip your skin of excess moisture, because the more the season changes and dryness accompanies the season, the more you want to protect the natural moisture and lipids that your skin secretes on its own. So that means that you would have to do away with cleansers that are stripping, dehydrating to the skin, to go and start using a cleanser that is mild, gentle, and just really hydrating to the skin. I know CeraVe has a lot of options out there for you guys, but I really want to recommend this particular one because of its price point. I saw that ceramides on the website was very expensive. This Laroche Posay Age Cleanser is quite affordable, £11.60. Very good, and targets the skin concern that you have if you fall under dry, sensitive skin type, or if your skin is also blemish prone. I think all skin types can also get away with it because it is very gentle on the skin. So now that you're done cleansing your skin, the very next thing that you need to focus on is to start to use a toner. So if during summer, because you felt like your skin was excessively greasy, you didn't use a toner, now is the time to add a toner back into your skincare routine. Now what that is going to do is to ensure that it is restoring hydration to your skin and just making sure that your natural skin lipids and natural skin moisture is at a maintained percentage, or should I say factor now. Now, with the constantly changing season and climate or environment where you are in right now, you want to make sure that you are protecting your skin's barrier, because that is what is going to determine whether you are going to have inflammation or not. So I stumbled and I reviewed. I actually love this particular toner. I'll see if I can also get it in Nigeria. It's the number 7 Radiance Plus Vitamin C Glow Toner, 200 ml, that retails for £12.95. Contains BHA and 30-ethyl ascorbic acid. You guys, I'm always on the lookout for the key ingredients, and that's because I have you in mind. You want to start going in with your essences after your toner. Now, the Cosrx Advanced Nail Essence Mucin Cell Essence now is very expensive. I was really shocked. I used to remember when I was still consulting, and some of my UK clients would be like, Eniola, this product that you're recommending abroad in the UK is so expensive, we can't afford it. So guess what? I checked the website again on bootsuk.com and I saw Boots Glow Essence for £4 and it contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. This essence is quite affordable, best price, pocket friendly, and I trust that because of the key ingredients inside it, you are going to absolutely love it. It's supposed to not only maintain your skin barrier but also add that extra layer of hydration and moisture that your skin needs in order to survive this transition and new climate change. All right, so after your essence, we will go in with what? Our vitamin C serum. Enough antioxidants, enough moisture, because all we are trying to do with your skincare routine is to protect your skin, okay, and to ensure that you are not losing the glow. And the number one skin antioxidant that is responsible for not only brightening, maintaining your fairness, and also helping you to fade away wrinkles or scars is vitamin C serum. And that's why I highly encourage that during the day, wherever you are abroad, make sure that you're using vitamin C serum, because even I in Nigeria, I still use vitamin C serum. I do not skip it. It is very, very important. So I already shopped for you. The one that I found is the Revolution Skincare 12.5% vitamin C Super Serum that retails for £6.67. Now this one is a bit slightly expensive compared to the essence, but it's okay. If your skin is highly sensitive or you feel like, okay, the vitamin C is going to be too much for me, just skip the serum. You already have vitamin C in your toner and you already have a lot of antioxidants in your cleanser and in your essence. So you can just skip that and call it a day and use your moisturizer and every other step, okay? But if you're like me and you want to make sure that you're not skipping out on anything, you're crossing your eyes, you're dotting your teeth, you need to make sure that you go in with your vitamin C serum. And even I use a vitamin C serum that is up to 20% vitamin C, so you don't have any excuse, okay? So now, the next products that I'll be reviewing for you guys, or the next step in your skincare routine if you are abroad, is a rich moisturizer. Now, don't confuse rich with tacky or greasy. They are not the same. The richness of your skincare product just means that it is equipped with enough potent skin ingredients that will give your skin enough nourishment. That is what it means for a skincare product to be rich. If a skincare product is not rich, it will not have enough skincare ingredients in it to give your skin a lot of nourishment. So please kindly note those two disparities. So yes, the one that I found for you when it comes to moisturizer is, if you're on a budget, okay, sis, you would get the Simple Kind to Skin Replenishing Rich Moisturizer that retails for £3.45 and it contains vitamin B5 and a lot of beautiful skin-friendly ingredients. It's affordable, it's on a good price point, it's rich. I've tried the Simple brand before. I saw the reviews, very, very wonderful reviews. However, if you have a lot of coins to spare and you know you're willing to go the extra mile on your skin, then get the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid that retails for £9.50. So if you can choose any of these two, whichever one you decide to go with would definitely serve your skin in the long run. But guess what? This is where the caveat comes into play. The disclaimer that I always give you guys. If you are using a lot of antioxidants that are very, very potent, you can't skip moisturizer, and you can't afford to use a moisturizer that is not rich enough for your skin and that would not give your skin all the benefits and the cushion that it is supposed to receive. Whether the sun is out or not, you guys already know you need to make sure that you're using your sunscreen, especially when you're abroad. Now, think of sunscreen as the extra icing on the cake, because it is important for you to protect vitamin C and antioxidants from sun exposure so that you can get the glow benefits, the brightening benefits on time, okay? This is very important. So yes, I already did the homework for you. If you're abroad and you can't get any of the beautiful Korean sunscreens that are here in Nigeria, guess what? There is one on the website that I saw and that I think you would absolutely like. And it is the Laroche Posay SPF 50 Full Spectrum Invisible Fluid Sunscreen right here. It retails for £19 and I was very surprised because what? By the time I did that conversion in Naira, I was very thrown aback. I'm so sorry guys, but it is the truth. It works It's easy. You can immediately just order it. I heard that they also deliver within a short period of time, so you don't have to do away with sunscreen. Please make sure that you're using your sunscreen with every seasonal change, climatic change, or transition that you're going through, whether you're moving from one country to another or you're abroad. Your sunscreen is important. You might be thinking to yourself, it's a bit cloudy today, the sun is not out. Sis, go back inside and make sure you use your sunscreen. That forms everything that you're going to be doing. That forms everything that you're going to be doing. You guys, I cannot talk. I'm sorry. I cannot talk. That forms everything that you're going to be doing during the day. Yes, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're abroad, please let me know where you are in the comment section. Comment your flag. I want to know you guys. I want to get to know you guys more. I want to see if I can make more content that is laser focused to your skin concern. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the very next one. Did I just mention that we just hit 30,000 subscribers? You guys, I am extremely grateful. I should have started with this, but you guys already know the passion is. I'm just amazed. I don't know what to say. I know I work hard, but I want to. First of all, I can't talk. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone that watches my video, that shares it, that comments, that shows me love, that you share with your friends. This channel will not be where it is without your unending support. I want to say thank you. I'm so grateful. I'm honestly grateful. So grateful. I woke up this morning to 30K and I'm like, how can I say thank you? I need to make a video for my loves. Thank you so much, guys, for 30,000. Please keep sharing my video. The goal is 50,000 subscribers by December. Please be a part of my community. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe. If you feel like there is something that you think I need to do when it comes to content concerning our community here, comment down below. And I look forward to talking to you guys in the very next one. I can't talk.